Welcome to Coin Vantage, your guide through the world of finance. We're delving into Robert Kiyosaki's unique take on assets like gold, silver, and Bitcoin, shaking up how we view his money. His insights help us rethink stability in today's uncertain financial landscape. Given that, let's get right into today's video on Robert Kiyosaki. Robert Kiyosaki, despite concerns that his analysis might be incorrect, is resolute in his belief that the world is teetering on the edge of a global downturn. He emphasizes that the United States is currently in a state of bankruptcy and facing the imminent collapse of its empire. Drawing parallels to historical empires such as Rome, Greek, and Chinese, Kiyosaki asserts that all empires eventually meet their demise. He points to recent explosive events in Palestine and Gaza as indications that an era is coming to a close, predicting potential conflicts and wars to follow. The upcoming video delves deep into economic prophecy with the legendary Robert Kiyosaki. It's aimed at financial pioneers who are willing to take a closer look, disregarding the concepts of soft or hard landings. Kiyosaki warns of an impending storm reminiscent of the turbulent times in the 1930s, signaling a full-on crash landing, even as he expresses hope in being mistaken. When the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad raises concerns, it demands attention. Kiyosaki sees a very high probability of a slump similar to that of the 1930s. He cites China's decline, Japan's challenges, emerging issues among BRICS nations, ongoing conflicts, and widespread unemployment as contributing factors. He reiterates his past prediction about China leading the world into what he termed the abyss, expressing fears about the former powerhouse of the global economy coming to a standstill or probably reversing. He compares the situation to unexpectedly reaching a critical point, possibly on a Sunday night, suggesting that many may not be prepared for this sudden and powerful impact despite the gradual warnings given. He cautions that those who haven't diversified their investments beyond gold and silver may face a turbulent and unpleasant experience due to the impending economic challenges. When it comes to economic predictions, Kiyosaki is not new to the game, having accurately forecasted the seismic waves of the global financial crisis in 2008. He's now expressing a sense of deja vu and warning that the stock market is on the brink of another crisis akin to the one in the 1930s. Coming from someone who has track record in predicting economic storms is as accurate as a compass. This bold statement demands attention. Moreover, this isn't merely a prediction of worsening conditions. In the midst of the crisis, Kiyosaki is presenting a playbook for those willing to seize opportunities. Last year, he sparked conversation by labeling an asset speculative, and now he suggests its value could skyrocket 50-fold amidst a market downturn. But he's not stopping there. Kiyosaki is set to unveil another investment he believes could multiply 50-fold in the aftermath of a market crisis. Post a prolonged economic downturn, Kiyosaki acknowledges that the road to recovery will be arduous. However, he believes that individuals who have adequately prepared, including viewers like yourself, are better equipped to navigate these challenges. Using an analogy of a plane crash, Kiyosaki illustrates that not everyone succumbs to catastrophe. Some emerge relatively unscathed. He underscores that the video isn't just about dissecting warnings, but is a roadmap for capitalizing on the upheaval. Kiyosaki pledges to share his insights into the impending crisis and introduce an investment strategy capable of transforming financial hardship into exceptional success. Robert Kiyosaki, known for his bold predictions and fervent support for alternative assets, has once again stirred the financial world with his unconventional thinking showcased in the groundbreaking personal finance book Rich Dad Poor Dad. His recent proclamation caused seismic waves in the investment sphere, reaffirming his confidence in the enduring value of gold and silver while notably endorsing Bitcoin, considered the foremost among cryptocurrencies. To Kiyosaki, the widely accepted currency is comparable to toilet paper. Despite inflation hovering at around 7%, people continue to rely on it due to teachings embedded in the education system. He questions why educational institutions overlook the lasting value of other currencies like gold and silver, which have served as money for millennia. He accuses his education system of perpetuating false beliefs about his currency's legality, expressing his divergence from conventional financial discourse. His absence from CNBC is rooted in which refusal to invest in endlessly producible assets, contrasting them with gold and silver, which cannot be artificially artificially created. In October 2023, Kiyosaki painted a compelling picture for gold enthusiasts, predicting a surge of $2,100 per ounce. His crystal ball seems exceptionally accurate, with gold surpassing $2,000, defying gravity and trading beyond this mark. His prediction not only proved precise but also potentially profitable for those who followed his advice. He now anticipates the price reaching $3,700 in the near future. Using the gold success story as a backdrop, Kiyosaki lays bare the grim impact on inflation of global living standards. He urged his followers to abandon fiat currencies, advocating for a deliberate exit from what he calls fake money system. His urgent wake-up call underscores his belief that clinging to traditional market money-saving methods renders individuals losers. Kiyosaki champions a trio of financial assets: gold, silver, and the decentralized currency Bitcoin. To him, these assets aren't just investment choices, they represent survival tools in an uncertain economic future. His rallying call echoes through Twitter's digital corridors, urging 2.4 million followers not to merely spectate in a financial system he deems corrupt. He staunchly supports Bitcoin as a safeguard against currency devaluation, despite its inherent value fluctuations. His message isn't just cautionary, it's a call to challenge the status quo. Kiyosaki empowers financial trailblazers to question, educate themselves, and strategically position their wealth in assets immune to current economic uncertainties. Regardless of agreement, Kiyosaki's voice resonates as a beacon of financial empowerment, inspiring control of financial destinies amid ever-changing circumstances. Kiyosaki's forecast serves as both a warning and a guide in a world of volatile economic predictions. Whether you agree with this evaluation or not, one thing is clear: Kiyosaki challenges traditional thinking and motivates movement towards financial empowerment amidst an uncertain future. Perhaps it's time to heed Kiyosaki's call and consider the stability of gold, silver, and Bitcoin amid the shifting economic landscape. After all, a little foresight can go a long way in the financial journey ahead. In a world of financial uncertainties, Robert Kiyosaki's bold insights on assets like gold, silver, and Bitcoin shake up the traditional finance scene. At Coin Vantage, where we unpack complex financial landscapes, Kiyosaki's wisdom inspires us. His teachings urge us to see these resilient assets as anchors in uncertain times. As we journey through the financial landscape ahead, Kiyosaki reminds us this: a bit of foresight can bring remarkable financial stability. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, and we will catch you on the next one.